Apple hit an all-time record high last night and is up 44% year to date. The rest of the market, not quite so bonny. Want to know more? Keep watching. Hello, I'm David and this is Trading Today. Yes, we're having a bit of a pullback across all the global markets at the moment. We saw falls across Asian Pacific markets last night. Today we are seeing falls across European and US indices as well. Apple has been a standout on that. Obviously the tech sector has done very well this year, bouncing back from the big losses from last year. But we are seeing, as I say, a bit of a pullback. Just looking at the S&P, for instance, this time last week it got up and saw a high of 44.47. It's now 100 points below that level. Now, looking at bits and pieces, of course, we've had Jerome Powell testifying in Washington. Yesterday, he just reiterated when he was giving the second round of testimony to the Senate Banking Committee, he did suggest that actually the Federal Reserve was really nearing its target when it came to rate hikes. I think his very words were that the Federal Reserve is close to its destination on rates. So that is good news, but nevertheless, the market is taking seriously to some extent the fact that the Federal Reserve will probably raise rates further this year. Now, they're expecting indeed next month the Fed to raise by 25 basis points. That's what's priced into the market. But unlike the central bank, the market feels that they will stick there, leave rates unchanged at 5.50 for the rest of the year. But still, all that speculation about rate cuts by the end of the year has now gone out of the market. It's just that they don't believe the Federal Reserve will raise rates twice more this year. Now, looking at what's happening today, well, we're seeing a sell-off across the indices, stock indices, that's for sure. We're also seeing selling in crude oil and indeed cryptocurrencies. On the positive side of the ledger, though, we're getting a bounce in the dollar, and we've also seen a bit of a turnaround in precious metals, just starting to pick up later in the last hour or so, which is a bit of a turnaround when you consider that they were slapped down very hard over the preceding week. I hope you found this of interest. If you have, please do like and follow. And thank you for watching and best of luck with your trading. Goodbye.